Hello and welcome back. And today we're going to learn all you ever wanted to know about Sauvignon Blanc. Sauvignon Blanc is a white grape variety that is grown all around the world. Different theories abound, but most experts agree that it hails from the Loire Valley in France. Fun fact about Sauvignon Blanc, it is actually one of the parent grapes of Cabernet Sauvignon. Sauvignon Blanc is generally high in acidity, dry, fairly light-bodied, and with moderate alcohol, the very definition of thirst quenching. It often smells of citrus fruits or gooseberry or freshly cut grass or wet stone. In warmer climates, you can often get riper, more intense aromas of guava or passion fruit or peach. Sauvignon Blanc can also have some more surprising aromas like sweat or cat pee. May sound disgusting, but mingled in with Sauvignon Blanc's other aromas and flavors, it somehow works. Pretty much every major wine-producing country in the world makes Sauvignon Blanc, and some make outstanding examples. Today we're just going to look at the major Sauvignon Blanc countries. The Loire Valley is quite a cool climate. It's known for its very elegant Sauvignon Blancs that tend to be quite lean and taut and mineral driven. They are rarely aged in new oak and are generally bone dry. Some of the best known appellations include Sancerre and Puy Fumé. Sauvignon Blanc is also a major white grape in the Bordeaux region, but here it is often blended with another white grape called Semillon. So there are two major styles of Sauvignon Blanc made in Bordeaux. One is fairly light-bodied, unoaked, dry, fruity. This you'll find from the Entre-deux-Mers appellation or just basic Bordeaux. The second style is far weightier and richer, and this comes from the aging in oak barrels. You get a lot of toasty vanilla nuances from this too. The best of these more opulent styles comes from a sub-area of the Grave region called Pessac-Léognan. The Bordeaux region is also famous for Semillon Sauvignon Blanc blends made in a sweet style from botrytis grapes. The most famous region for this is Sauternes, but that's a video for another day. Finally, the Côte de Gascogne region of the southwest of France also makes a great light, zesty, dry Sauvignon Blanc that are often great value. The majority of Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand comes from the Marlborough region on the South Island. Here, cooling sea breezes allow for excellent acid retention in an otherwise fairly warm climate. This makes for Sauvignon Blanc that has really refreshing, mouth-watering acidity, but also some intense, ripe, fruity flavors. Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc is known for its pungent, grassy aromas. It tends to have a little bit more body than Loire styles of Sauvignon Blanc, making it a little fuller and rounder on the palate. It's generally unoaked, but some really interesting, flinty, lightly oaked premium styles are also being made that you should definitely check out. Two regions making particularly exciting Sauvignon Blanc in Australia are Margaret River and the Adelaide Hills. Margaret River is in Western Australia. Here they tend to blend Sauvignon Blanc with Semillon, and they make a range of styles from quite lean and dry to a little fuller in body, weightier and slightly oaked. They have crisp acidity and some really intriguing flavors. There's often a vegetal sort of asparagus note, some lemon lime, gooseberry, and some more intense sort of passion fruit and lemon curd type notes. In the Adelaide Hills in South Australia, Sauvignon Blanc is generally a solo act. It's usually unoaked here with really bright citrus peach guava type aromas. It's light, refreshing, smooth, and dry. The most famous Californian style of Sauvignon Blanc is the Fumé Blanc. Stylistically, these wines are similar to the oaked Bordeaux or Margaret River styles, but they're just a little bit more opulent. The oak is often a little bit more lavish, higher degree of alcohol, so slightly more warming, with really intense tropical notes. South Africa and Chile are also making some really fantastic Sauvignon Blancs. If you're looking for a dry, lighter, more mineral style, look to Leda in Chile or Elgin or Elam in South Africa. If you're looking for a riper, richer, fruitier style of Sauvignon Blanc, you can try Casablanca from Chile, or in the coastal region of South Africa, Stellenbosch, Constantia, or Paarl. Sauvignon Blanc is obviously best served chilled. A lighter, unoaked style, you want to chill it to 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. and a richer, more full-bodied style of Sauvignon Blanc between 10 and 12 degrees Celsius. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel, write me a little comment, give me a little thumbs up, and I'll see you again next week for another Wine 101. Until then, santé!